Hello everyone, welcome to Async Crypto. So in this video, we will talk about Bitcoin as well as Ethereum, why market is going down, as well as a trade setup that I gave you yesterday and it's still going on. Basically the trade setup was on spot, so the trade is still on continue. So before wasting any more time, let's get started. So here you can see I have opened 4 hours time frame of Bitcoin chart and we can see a clear resistance from around 24,200, and as I said earlier that Bitcoin need to cross this resistance. Why this resistance was important for Bitcoin, I'll let you know just in a couple of seconds. Just okay, so this was the chart. Basically Bitcoin is going on a bear flag which happened in past. If I just zoom out the chart, first, before zooming out the chart, Bitcoin needs to close above this 200 MA, that's this blue line, because this is a basic indicator of bear market. If this is, you can understand, this is the basic indicator of bear market. If weekly candle close below this region and then above in the next couple of candles, then that means that's the bottom of the Bitcoin. But currently it's giving him the resistance. Now let's switch to 1 day time frame and let me show you what happened. So in the 1 day time frame, you can see there are multiple bear flag forming on Bitcoin and it needs to close this. This is a resistance over from very long time. Just so you can see this is a resistance from the long time. So Bitcoin need to close above at least 24,000 and above this 200 MA in weekly time frame, at least in weekly time frame, not in daily time frame. Weekly closing should be above this two line, then we will consider it as bullish. But as you can see now, I have shown you in the marking point that Bitcoin can give a fake out and then go down also. That currently it's a fake out type of situation. We are inside this bear flag. So I'm telling you just to be sure, just stay careful before taking any trades, because the market is currently very risky to take trades. So just if you are taking any trade, just put a tight stop loss so that you can exit in the right time. Let's talk about Ethereum, then we'll talk about the trade that I gave you, and it's still going on. So Ethereum is pumping right now and Ethereum is around 1500. I think you should keep your stop loss below this point around 1423 if you are in profit. So there might be a little pullback in Ethereum or might be a consolidation phase, because 20 MA is giving its resistance and you can see it's going up and down in 20 ms. So you can expect like this movement if Bitcoin goes bullish. So there's another factor that depends on Bitcoin, which is Dow Jones. If Dow Jones consolidate a bit, because 20 MA needs to catch up like this. So if Dow Jones consolidate a bit and 20 MA catch up, then we will see a bullish scenario till around this point, because 200 MA will give it resistance. But you need to know that 28th of this month GDP number will be announced and that will impact the market hugely. Okay, so that's the date you need to keep in mind. The next month might be bearish a bit because of this GDP number. So just to keep in safe, you just put your stop loss tight and don't take or invest any major chunk of money. After the market hit the GDP numbers or recession news, after that take the any big chunk of money. Like, that's my personal strategy that I am using. So the trade which I gave you yesterday was of AIOZ. You can find this coin on KuCoin as well as Hobby Global, and this is a basically a coin which is fundamentally strong, but it is a small cap altcoin. So I'm suggesting you not to put any large chunk of money. But you can see the market has been pumping, but this coin has been consolidating for a while. I think a breakout is coming soon in this coin and it will be around maybe 30 to 40%. So I'll just suggest you to put a small amount of money, as this is a small cap coin and which is very volatile. Just to be sure, after this breakdown from here it crashed 60%. So it is a basically a whale hype coin. Currently in the bull market, this coin performed very well, but currently it has no volume. So just to be sure, just buy a little amount of money, don't put too much of money in this coin or you will get trapped. So okay, that's the strategy for today. and I talked about Ethereum, Bitcoin, as well as the coin. If you guys have any question, do let me know in the comment section. See you in the next video. Till then, bye.